Welcome everyone. In almost all competitive exams, there will be problems on dices. Usually these problems are of 2-3 kinds, of which what we are seeing today is the basic one. But to solve these problems, we need to know two basic concepts. The first is every dice will have 6 faces. So usually they are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 1 to 6. Sometimes these faces are also numbered using alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, like this, R, sometimes P, Q, R, S, T, U, like this, P to U, A to F, and 1 to 6. And the second concept is adjacent faces concept. Adjacent faces. Adjacent faces is nothing but, in the problem picture, if you see, 1, 2, 3 are appearing together. In the first one, 1, 2, 3 are appearing together. So they are considered as adjacent faces to each other. That means to say 1 is adjacent to 2, 2 is adjacent to 3, 3 is adjacent to 1. Same way in the second, if you see 3, 4, 5 are appearing together, that means to say 3 is adjacent to 4, 4 is adjacent to 5, 5 is adjacent to 3. Same way in the third, 6, 5, 2 are appearing together. 6, 5, 2 are adjacent to each other. 6 is adjacent to 5, 5 is adjacent to 2, and 2 is adjacent to 6. That means to say, if we say some numbers are adjacent, they can never be opposite. So that is the main intention of understanding adjacent faces. So if we say 1, 2, 3 are adjacent to each other, then 1 cannot be opposite to 2 or opposite to 3. Same way for 2 and 3. So this is the basic concepts we need to know. Once we know these two concepts, it is very easy to solve dice problems. Now let's move on to find out the solution for this problem. Now we are supposed to find out what opposite to phase 3. So in order to find opposite of phase 3, make a 3-column table. Write down the number to which we are supposed to find out the opposite of phase 3 here in this case. So that is why I'm writing down 3 here in the first column. The second column, you name it as adjacent, and the third column you name it as opposite. Now try to find out the adjacent faces of 3 and write it down in the second column. In the picture, first picture, 3 is appearing here. So 1 and 2 are considered as adjacent. So let's write down 1 and 2 here. Same way, in the second picture, 3 is appearing along with 4 and 5. Hence, 4 and 5 are considered adjacent to phase 3. Now, in the third picture, 3 is not appearing. Hence, we are not touching it. So just leave it as it is. Come back to this table and see. After making all the entries, whichever number or numbers are not entered in this table should be written down in the third column. So in this case, we have written 1, we have written 3, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Hence, 6 is the only number which is missing. So let's write down 6 here. So no other number is missing because all other numbers are entered already. Hence, 6 is the only number which is missing, and that becomes the answer for this problem. So 6 is the answer. That is, opposite to phase 3 in this problem is 6. So it is so easy to solve. Now please find out opposite of phase 5. Thank you.